Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Get ready to find out if the 2025 Toyota Corolla Hybrid is the ultimate game changer in the world of hybrid sedans. In this video, we are putting the Corolla Hybrid to the test to see if it lives up to its reputation as a fuel-efficient, eco-friendly, and feature-packed ride. From its sleek design to its impressive performance, we are diving deep into what makes this car tick. Whether you're a hybrid newbie or a seasoned eco-warrior, you won't want to miss this in-depth review of the 2025 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Join me as I put the 2025 Toyota Corolla Hybrid to the test and see if it really is the king of hybrid sedans. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Hybrid is a contender for the title of King of Hybrid Sedans, and for good reason. With its impressive fuel efficiency, the sleek design, and innovative technology, it's definitely a force to be reckoned with in today's market. But can it really take the crown? The hybrid sedan market is more competitive than ever, with a plethora of options available to consumers. With Toyota's legendary durability and low maintenance costs making it an attractive option for those who want a hassle-free ownership experience. Its compact size and agile handling make it perfect for city dwellers who need a car that can navigate tight streets and parking spots with ease. But despite these advantages, the Corolla Hybrid still needs to prove itself against its rivals in terms of performance, features, and overall value. So, what's the standout feature of the Corolla Hybrid that could solidify its status as the best hybrid sedan on the market? For me, it's the incredible value that Toyota is offering at a starting price of just under $24,000. When you consider the fuel savings, reliability, and advanced features that come standard on the Corolla Hybrid, it's clear that this car is a steal. And with Toyota's renowned customer service and warranty package, you can be sure that you're getting a car that will last you for years to come. But what really puts the Corolla Hybrid over the top is its unparalleled smoothness and quietness, making it a true joy to drive every day. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Hybrid is a serious contender for the title of King of Hybrid Sedans. With its incredible fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and unbeatable value, it's clear that Toyota has outdone itself with this latest iteration of the Corolla. Thanks for watching, everyone. What do you think about the Corolla Hybrid? Do you think it's the king of hybrid sedans? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more car reviews and automotive news.